We're about to get this Baconmania from Papa.
Baconmania, Papa Juan's. No, it's Papa John's, I know. But yeah, so it's like a new thing. They got a triple bacon pizza.
Triple bacon pizza is like
a Papadia. It's cholesterol heart attack. It's like that restaurant in Vegas where if you weigh over 350, you get to eat for free because you get a heart attack. It's like that. It's all bacon all the time. There's 3 different bacon items.
it's like hope it's not turkey bacon then.
Real delicious.
Don't you blink, like, comment, don't check it out. Ooh, man, beautiful, ooh, YouTube. Ooh, new movie preview, about to release you, about to relieve you. Top off, and now we can thank you.
Welcome to another episode of WE Go JINX.
I can't get over it.
That's good.
But so we're back with
Baconmania. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That
just felt like a
smelling swine. I love it.
Macho Man Randy Savage.
Loving it. We got 3 different distinct items that has
all bacon.
All bacon. It's covered in bacon.
This is Papa John's temporary promotion right now. These are jalapeno bacon poppers.
Jalapeno bacon poppers.
Yes. Say that 3 times fast.
Right.
And it comes with a ranch sauce. A little dippy dip, because I feel like you're supposed to. They ain't even get nothing. There we go.
Little dippy dip.
It tastes like a crescent roll, croissant.
It's the dope. It's
the Pillsbury crescent rolls.
Yeah.
With a jalapeno and a little chunk of bacon on the inside. It's supposed to have cheese, but it's not very cheesy.
No, there's no cheese in it.
No? What is that?
It tastes like cheese.
That's what I'm saying. It doesn't have. If it has cheese, it ain't got much. Yeah, it has cheese. See? Nah, I prefer just a regular jalapeno popper. Honestly.
Right.
And then we got
the Papadia.
This is our first time even trying a Papadia, which is like it's a Parmesan encrusted reverse pizza flatbread thing. Crusty orangey goodness. I'm not gonna lie, that makes me excited. I like the idea of the orange.
Oh, look at that sauce right
there. Yeah. All right, this. What is that? I didn't even know they came with a sauce.
Yeah, it comes with sauce.
Barbecue sauce. Okay.
Cheers.
I like this.
I immediately like this better.
The bacon is good.
Now this, I would get again.
Not overcooked, not undercooked. I think both my husband and I can be happy. He likes crispy bacon. I like chewy bacon. This is in between.
Oh, the Papadia, it's a yes.
Get that.
It's
absolutely.
a plus.
I wonder what the other Papadias taste like. I think I just like that bread with the Parmesan on the outside. And who doesn't like bacon though? Like
everybody loves bacon.
Bacon, 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 bacon.
Bacon. We got the
triple bacon pizza. Oh, with their famous garlic sauce. That I love. So
there we go.
I'm looking forward to this. Hold on, is that like straight slices of bacon? It really is. Look at that, guys! Like whole slices of bacon. And then it's got like little crispy bacons in between. This is called the triple bacon.
Triple bacon. Cheers.
Cheers, my love. Papadia. Out of all the 3 things, the Papadia.
The Papadia is the best choice.
Get that. That thing it tastes unique. And that combination of the
barbecue sauce.
And the bacon and the little bit of cheese and the little bit of onion and that crispy parm on the outside. Worth it. This is good too, don't get it twisted. But it tastes like your standard Papa John's pizza with some bacon.
Yeah.
It's good. But I'm gonna go finish the Papadia.
So Papadia, yes. To go?
Yeah, so definitely go. I mean, for this being a promotion and then baking it all bacon all the time, it's not bad. You know, for a Baconmania, you got 3 different options if you like bacon. But if you want to try something that's a little more distinct than your standard slice of pizza or like a slightly different take on a jalapeno popper, go to Papadia.
Yeah, yeah. And this concludes our
episode. You know, simple and quick.
Yeah.
So we'll be back with some more.
Like,
comment,
subscribe.
Bye.
Bye, guys.